Just imagine. Every book and magazine you own are now accessible on your phone, tablet, and computer. The ultimate scanner for your smartphone. Introducing the CamStand Halo. The Halo scans 2 book or magazine pages at a time with an average speed of 20 pages per minute. The Halo is portable and the lighting system runs on USB power. The Halo is great for scanning books and documents in libraries. Students without textbooks. Since the pages were OCR scanned, every single word is searchable. Yes, every single word. Halo. Now let your book read to you.
The Lost Trail. Went in search of a boyhood friend. But when information is everywhere, some things are better left buried. By Douglas Preston. Some writers used to drink when the words didn't come. Now we have the internet. Whenever one gets stuck writing, instead of sliding open the bottom drawer with the whiskey bottle, I load up the New York Times or Politico, check my email, or, when all else fails, start Googling old acquaintances. Most of us have done it. Whatever happened to that buck-toothed kid from 3rd grade? There he is, grinning at you from the computer screen, balding, paunchy, mustached, and you're reading about his lake cottage, his returning hobby, his Danube cruise, his grandchildren, his cats. A few months ago, as I was staring at a wretched chapter I was trying to write, I idly googled the name Peter Anderson and knew vertical bar Z. Petey was my best friend growing up in Wellesley, Massachusetts.